Hi there, thanks for joining us at That's Crackers. Today I'm going to talk to you about square pegs into round holes, or in this case, cubes into crackers. Our standard cracker here is about 5 centimeters wide, and our large cracker is just over 6.5 centimeters wide. So an item like this, which is 5 centimeters wide across here, will fit perfectly into our standard cracker and will also fit very easily into our large cracker, especially when you think you've also got to get a hat, a joke, and everything else in there as well. These items I've got in front of me here are all 5 centimeters wide, roughly. This one fits in the cracker, this one fits in a cracker, but you can see it's getting tighter and tighter. The deeper this is going to get, if it's 5 centimeters wide, the less likely it's going to be that it fits in a cracker. If you're buying it from our website, a filler from our website, and it says it fits in a standard cracker, it will fit in a standard cracker, and you will be able to get a hat in as well. Similarly, if we say it will fit in a large cracker, you'll be able to fit it in a large cracker with a hat on. We have a category for each, you have filters for each, so you will be able to choose the right gift for the right size. But if you're choosing gifts from elsewhere, this cube here, as an example, is a 5 centimeter cube. 5 centimeter cube. So in theory, this should now go in my 5 centimeter cracker. But as I've explained, because this is getting quite tight because it's getting deeper, this one is now 5 centimeters wide and 5 centimeters deep. And you can see it's categorically not going to go in either of these crackers, even though this one is 6.5 centimeters wide. The maths being, of course, that it's 6.5 centimeters wide here, but it's almost no centimeters wide at the top where we need to get this box in. So the point here being, when you're buying your fillers, please think about all of the dimensions of the filler that you're buying compared to the cracker that you've got, because if it's too wide on too many direct dimensions, you won't get it in and you're going to be doing one of this and it's not going to fit. All right, good luck, have fun, cheerio, bye-bye.